Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in today's video we will understand how to create agile CRM contact from LinkedIn leads. So here let's suppose that I'm running some ads on LinkedIn. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then I want to create that lead as a contact in agile CRM. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software that is Pably Connect. So Pably Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be LinkedIn and my action application will be Agile CRM. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to create Agile CRM contacts from LinkedIn leads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through LinkedIn, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my Agile CRM account. So now in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software that is Pably Connect. So this here is the homepage of Pably Connect, and in order to reach here, you just have to type in pably.com/connect in your browser. So over here, you can see that I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pably. So here I will go to Pably Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as Create Agile CRM Contacts from LinkedIn Leads. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as LinkedIn to Agile CRM Automation, and now I'm going to click on Create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pably Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to create Agile CRM contacts from LinkedIn leads. So now in order to begin with this process, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for LinkedIn lead gen forms as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead gen form response. So this will start working whenever I'm going to receive a new form response. So now moving to my action window, as I want to create a contact in my Agile CRM. So over here, I'm going to search for Agile CRM as my action application. And the action event will be to create a contact. So here you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So as my objective is to create Agile CRM contacts from LinkedIn leads. So to begin with the process, firstly I need to establish a connection between LinkedIn leads and forms and Pably Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I'm going to click on connect. I've already logged into my LinkedIn account in one of the tabs. And over here, you can see that LinkedIn leads and forms and Pably Connect is successfully connected. So now from this account drop down, I'm going to select my account that is by the name of Naveen Kole. And now from this lead form drop down, I need to select the lead form which I'm going to use. But before that, I'm going to take you to LinkedIn Campaign Manager. And over here, you can see that these are the lead gen forms that I have created before. So I'm going to use this lead gen form that is by the name of sample lead gen form. So I've already added this lead gen form in one of my campaigns. So over here you can see the campaign by the name of Pably Connect. So over here in this campaign, you can see that there are two ads, and both of these ads are in draft mode. So that means currently I'm not running any live ad. So that is why I'm going to send a test response to Pably Connect. But if you are running ads, then you also have to follow the same process that I'm showing in this video. So in order to send the response to Pably Connect, make sure to follow the exact process. So here you can see this here is the ad. So over here, our trigger application is a polling based one. So this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So that means in order to get the response over here in Pably Connect, it will take up to 10 minutes. So now I'm going to select the lead form as sample lead gen form. So once I've selected the lead form, so as I've mentioned, our trigger application is a polling based one and it will take up to 10 minutes to send the data to Pabbly Connect. So now over here, as I'm going to click on save and send test request, it will get me the response of the most latest lead which would have been captured. So now over here, I'm going to create a lead by clicking on apply now. So over here, I've mentioned the email address and the phone number. So the details for these fields, that is the first name, last name and the company name, is as of now of default because as I'm not running any live advertisement, so that is why over here I have got the default details. But you don't have to worry if you are running ads on your LinkedIn account, then whenever a lead is going to get captured, you are going to get the actual details of the lead. So as I'm creating a test lead, so this test lead data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So now here I'm going to click on submit. So here it says information sent to Pabbly. So that means the test lead which I've just created right now would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, over here I'm going to click on save and send test request as I'm setting up this automation right now. So after clicking on save and send test request, I'm going to get the response. So here you can see that I have received the response, and over here in the response received, you can see the form name, that was sample lead gen form. Scrolling down here, you can see the email of the test lead. Here is the test phone number which I have mentioned, and over here are the test details of the name, that was Pabbly, and over here you can see the last name, that was Subscription Billing Management Service, and over here I've got the company name as well. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully received the details of the test lead which I have just created. So that means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically those lead details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect, and this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So as the first step of this automation is set up, now by using the lead details, I wish to create it as a contact in Agile CRM. So in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Agile and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, you need to mention your Agile CRM login email. You need to mention your API key. So I'm going to tell you that from where you can find your API key. So here in Agile, you just have to go to your profile. You need to go to admin settings. And over here on your left hand side, you need to go to developers and API. And over here, this is the API key. So you just have to copy it and paste it in Pabbly Connect, or either you can reset this key as well. So now moving to this detail of domain. So over here you can see that the format is given as well. So over here in this URL, this here is the domain. So you just have to copy this, and over here in Pabbly Connect, you have to paste it. So you have to follow the same process. Just mention your Agile CRM login email. You can get the API key under this section, that is of developers and API. You just have to copy it and paste it over here. Mention your login email and the domain from the URL. So as I already have an existing connection, so I'm going with the same, and now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that Agile CRM and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to these fields. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from LinkedIn lead gen forms, so that is why over here in these fields, I'm going to map the details from that response. So here I'm going to map the email address. So this here is the email address. Now I'm going to map the phone number. So this was the phone number, and here it is. So here I'm going to map the company name as well. So as you can see that I have mapped the details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, I'm going to scroll down, and over here I'm going to click on save and send test request. And over here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to my Agile CRM account. Over here under contacts, you can see that a new contact has been successfully created. So here's the first name, that was Pabbly, and this here is the last name. So here you can see the email address and the phone number as well. So here you can see that a contact has been created for that lead in Agile CRM. So this automation was a successful one.
That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically by using the lead details, a contact will be created in my Agile CRM account.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.